Hello, in front of me I've got Lamzu Inca. In this video I'll show you how to change DPI. To change DPI of your mouse, take a look at the bottom of it. Right here we've got two switches. Thanks to this switch you can turn the mouse on or off, and thanks to this button you can change the DPI. You can see current DPI stage right here under Lamzu, only if the mouse is connected. There are 5 basic stages of the DPI, from 200 up to 3200, and they can be adjusted in the Lamzu app. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.